Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your focus modes on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So to get to this feature, you want to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the privacy and security. Once you're here, you want to swipe down again and go to the focus. So click on this one. As you can see, your focus status tells apps and people that you have notifications silenced. So if you want to share this, for example, of messages, as you can see, I do have only messages right here. And as you can see, the apps that have ever requested the ability to see and share your focus status are going to appear here. In my case, this is only messages. So if I turn on, the people that are going to, just send some messages, and I'm going to have the focus mode on. Now, if I turn off this feature, they are not going to get notification that I have the focus mode on. If I turn on this, they are going to get this notification. So now they won't, and now they will. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.